Good morning, Taco. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Come on, say good morning. Say good morning. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Are you shy? You're not supposed to be shy. Say good morning. Good morning to everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm glad to see with you. And you, and you, and you. La 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 la. Okay, one more song for the morning song. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how are you? I'm glad to see with you. And you, and you, and you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, come on, let's sing one more song. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and white. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Good boy. Who is a good boy? Who is a good boy? Are you a good boy? I know you are. I know you are a good boy, Taco. Why are you shaking? Why are you shaking? Don't be scared. Mommy is here. Now you're not shaking. You're not shaking anymore. Good boy. Okay, dokie. This is Taco. Taco. Today is Wednesday here in America at 7:45 in the morning. Thank you for watching Taco with Mommy MJ.